Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
Wow, this place is so shiny.
Look at those chairs.
In a quaint little parlor where the mirrors gleam bright.
Oh,
Five
this is going to
ducks
be
gathered
fabulous.
round
Wow,
for
it's so
their
fluffy
day
and perfect.
of delight.
That puff is
With
amazing.
feathers
sparkles with
all
creativity.
ruffled and beaks slightly grim. They quacked with excitement as the lights started dim.
Perfect
The
as
first one named Daisy,
darling, you look
with a
marvelous.
crown made of curls, dreamed of golden
Time to tame this
tresses
wild mustache.
that danced
Wally.
like pearls.
Good heavens, what
Just
a
a
mess.
splash of lavender.
A
She
stylish trim.
chirped with glee, a touch of fine glamour to set my heart free. Then came Donald,
Ooh, fancy
his
tiara.
gaze
It suits
full
you
of flair.
perfectly.
Style me up smartly.
Oh no, it's sliding.
I want elegance
Watch the dapper duck strut.
with pomade and
Bow tie
polish.
straight, chest out.
He strutted about,
Hey, Corey, strike a pose.
determined
All
to
right, watch this
lead
dramatic pose.
with no trace of doubt.
Wally, are you all right? That was some strut, pal.
Little Lila was next,
so
her
soft.
spirit so bold. She wanted bright colors, pinks and marigold. As brushes caressed her soft, downy skin, she twirled in delight. Oh, what magic
Oh, look
within.
at us.
Now waddle, old Wally took his seat with a sigh. Just trim off my whiskers and let out a cry. A duck's not just feathered, we've style to bestow. Let's make waves together, come on now, let's go. Last was Sweet Penny, the artist at
This is
heart,
going to be fabulous.
with dreams
Wow, so
painted
fluffy and perfect.
vivid
You look
in
stunning.
every fine part.
Sparkles with
And
creativity.
sparkles, she whispered,
Oh, it's so pretty.
a twinkle so rare, a canvas of beauty beyond compare. As each duck transformed beneath skilled hands' grace,
A grand entrance. Thanks, everyone.
they
Time to tame
emerged
this
from their
wild
pamper
mustache.
with joy on each
Good
face,
heavens, what a mess.
Whoa, feather.
with laughter that echoed through
stylish trim.
halls filled with light. Five ducks left the parlor. Oh, what a sight!
Ooh,
So
fancy
remember
tiara.
this tale when life feels too dry. Even ducks need some pampering, a whimsical fact. For joy can be found in the simplest
watch this
things,
dramatic
in
pose.
friendship and laughter
Oh, Wally,
that
are you
true
all right? That was some strut, pal.
beauty brings.
A buddy bugger.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.